future does have a name, and its name is hope. A tiny flicker of light that feeds on hope is enough to shatter the shield of darkness. Mandulis delivers renewable energy and value-added services to address the many challenges faced by rural farming communities. These challenges are not only close to our hearts at Mandulis, but actually punctuate the story of my early childhood as a refugee in Africa. And the very hope that led me to rocket science has now brought me home to work with refugees displaced from the same communities that once hosted me as I fled conflict. The reality is that over 1 billion people across the world lack access to electricity. The majority of these are farmers for whom no electricity equals no agricultural processing. So they sell their crops straight from the fields at a minimum price. This perpetuates a cycle of poverty. On the other hand, billions of people cook using wood fuels. This burden is heaviest on women and children who walk 3 hours each day scavenging for firewood. Now, while cooking with firewood, women and children are forced to inhale so much smoke. It's like smoking 2 packs of cigarettes each day. At Mandulis, we have the solution. We deliver productive energy that's affordable, reliable, and sustainable. We use biomass gasification to transform agricultural residues into electricity and clean cooking fuel. Our unique holistic approach to energy goes beyond electrons and links investment into electricity with economic development in the surrounding rural communities. This differentiates us from other energy companies. We work in 16 locations across refugee hosting communities in Uganda, where we provide thousands of farmers with access to clean energy, alongside services such as processing, warehousing, and access to markets. Farmers bring us their crops, which we process into higher value products. This alone doubles their income. The agricultural waste that remains is converted into electricity and clean cooking fuel. This is how Mandulis makes people's lives better. By increasing rural household incomes, we create a loop, seeding demand and supply. As farmers get wealthier, they farm more crops, they cook more and use more electricity. This integrated approach delivers energy security alongside food security, poverty alleviation, and climate resilience. Our environmental impact is immense. You can check out our carbon offset platform down there. And we continue to gain traction. Our founding team combines technical and operational expertise with the in-depth knowledge that comes from having lived as refugees. You may recognize our partners from across the globe who are committed to helping us achieve our vision. As we scale up, we wish to build synergies with more partners, especially the World Food Programme, to help meet energy needs and mitigate any budget and volume shortfalls through sourcing processed crops aggregated from within the refugee hosting ecosystem. We invite you to join us on our journey to power a future of hope.